Oh hell, look how nasty that is. Alright, everybody's heard the old saying you can't polish a turd, and I think that still holds true. Which, I don't have a turd to try to polish, but I think it's close enough. And I ain't got polished, I'm just gonna spray it off. But this is what a truck looks like when it sits underneath a tree for a couple months at a time. Now, I don't drive it very often because I have a company truck. I drive it to and from work, then afterwards I drive the wife's van. Gets better gas mileage and everything else. So this truck might get drove 2 or 3 times a month, and for the rest of it is parked. And as you can see, this thing is covered in bird shit. It's also doing typical Dodge rust thing, but today I think we're gonna spray it off and see how it looks after that. So if you would, just stay tuned, see what happens, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So trying to build up my subs a little bit, and my views. So y'all would be kind and go ahead and subscribe, and just keep an eye out. That's just plain disgusting. Yeah, watching that shit just kind of blow away like that is oddly satisfying. There we go. Now I hope I got all that, but as you can see, my Dodge is doing what Dodges do. Dodges are notorious for this, or Chevys, hell, so are Fords. I can see all the way through that one. I don't know, can you pick that up? Up. I'm not gonna lie, that looks a little worse than I thought it would. I thought it was just gonna mainly be surface, but that some bitch is ate up. Well, I guess we'll be fixing that in another video. That's bad. It's still solid in some spots. Let's get back to washing. All right, we'll come over to the other side real quick, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but It definitely has some bubbles too, not near as bad, but while I'm washing it, I might as well see how bad this fender well is. All right, this side is not near as bad. Did I say it? It's starting to peel out, but it hadn't made it all the way through yet, so it's pretty promising. But I had to turn the pressure washer off, but well guys, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna finish washing it, of course, or spraying it, but I ain't too worried about actually using soap and getting it all clean and whatnot with rust holes in it. It kind of defeats the purpose. But if y'all would, in comments, let me know what y'all think about the foam cannons. I know you can get them pretty cheap off Amazon, and there's some places that sell them for really expensive, like chemical guys, but I'd say they probably do about the same thing. But let me know your experience with them. Let me know which one would be a good investment. Although cheap one on Amazon is $20, I wouldn't really call it an investment. But I'm gonna get this sprayed off. Just let me know your thoughts. I'll catch y'all next time.